exercise is 3 different ab routines together. Simultaneous workout when it comes to the core. That's what we're trying to do, get the core, keep the tension on the core. So we're doing 3 routines here. We're doing alternating leg raises. We're also doing the catapults, and we're doing the bicycles. All right? Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Straight into the bicycles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Straight into the catapults. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I recommend 4 sets of 8 if possible. If not, critique it in a way that's more comfortable for you. Signing out, another microwave workout, Figure 014 official. Let's get them.